seat mix-up. Hello, can I help you find your seat?
Yes, I am confused. Very confused.
What's the problem? What is your seat number?
12C, but there is person there.
Someone is already sitting there? Let me see your pass.
Yes, here is my boarding pass. Look.
Okay, seat 12C. That's definitely your seat. Excuse me, sir. What? This is my seat. I'm sitting here. Let me check both of your passes, please.
Maybe I am wrong person. Wrong seat?
No. Your pass says 12C clearly. What's yours, sir? It says 12C, same seat. This is ridiculous. It seems we have double booking here. One moment.
Double booking? What happened now?
Don't worry. This happens sometimes. We fix it quickly.
But we cannot both sit same seat.
Exactly. That would be very uncomfortable. So what do we do? I'm late already. Sir, you are in wrong seat. Your seat is 12D. 12D? But I read... Oh, I see it now. Right next to this one. Just one seat over.
Oh, thank God. I thought I very confused.
All sorted now. Enjoy your flight, both of you.
Thank you. You are very kind men.
Suitcase Lost. Hello. What seems to be the problem today?
My suitcase, it is not here.
Your luggage didn't arrive? Which flight did you come from?
Flight 412 from London this morning, early.
Let me check for you. What does your suitcase look like?
Is big, red color, very red, with sticker.
A red suitcase with a sticker. Any other details?
Yes, my name is on a tag, Sarah.
Okay, Sarah. Do you have your baggage claim ticket?
A baggage claim ticket? I don't have this.
Did they give you a receipt at check-in?
Maybe, I don't remember exactly.
Without it, this is harder. When did you land?
3 hours ago. I wait so long already.
3 hours is normal. Sometimes bags arrive later, you know?
But I need my clothes for tonight for hotel.
I understand. Let me search the system right now, okay?
How long to find my bag?
Give me just 2 minutes. Stay right here, please.
Is very bad situation?
Found it. Your bag arrived on different carousel, number 5.
Really? It is here in Miami?
Yes, go over there. You'll find it. Sorry about that.
Oh, thank God. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Quick stop in Los Angeles. Hi, how can I help you today?
Hello, I have only 6 hours here.
6 hours? That's very short. Where do you want to go?
I don't know. I am new. What is famous?
Famous? Everything here is famous. What interests you?
Beach? Hollywood? Movies? I don't know.
Beach is closer, about 20 minutes from here. Worth it?
Beach, yes. I want to see ocean very much.
Okay. Take the Blue Line bus or get taxi.
Blue Line? Taxi? How much the cost, please?
Taxi is $30. Bus is like $2.
$2? Very cheap. I take bus.
Smart choice. Go west on this street. See the sign?
West? I don't know which direction is...
That way. Just follow the Blue Line signs.
Okay. And then beach? I swim?
Yes. Swim, walk, take photos. Very beautiful there.
But 6 hours not enough time for everything.
No, but beach is perfect for quick visit.
What about Hollywood sign? Can I see?
Too far. Takes 40 minutes just to get there.
Oh, too far. Beach is better then, yes?
Absolutely. Go now. You'll love Santa Monica Beach.
Thank you very much. You very helpful, Grace.
Have fun. Take lots of photos.
Speaking English in Chicago.
Hi, Emma. How are you today?
I am good. And you?
Great. Are you enjoying Chicago?
Yes, the city is very big.
It really is. Do you like it?
I like the buildings. They are tall.
Those are skyscrapers. Do you have them in your country?
No, we don't. Very different here.
What's different about your city?
It is smaller, more quiet.
That makes sense. How long have you been here?
3 weeks. I'm still learning.
Your English is pretty good for 3 weeks.
Really? I make many mistakes.
Everyone does. What's hardest for you?
Speaking. I understand, but I cannot speak.
You're speaking right now.
Yes, I am speaking.
Exactly. Do you practice every day?
I try, but I'm scared.
Scared of what?
People don't understand me. I feel stupid.
You're not stupid. You're learning. That's brave.
Thank you. Maybe I'm not so bad.
You're doing great. Want to come back tomorrow?
Yes, I want to practice more.
Dog park chat.
Nice dog. What's his name?
His name is Max. You have a dog?
Yeah, that's Buddy. He's a golden retriever.
He is very beautiful, very large.
He eats a lot. Where are you from?
I'm from South Korea. Boston is new.
How long have you been here?
5 months. I like it, but
But what?
I don't know many people. It's lonely.
You know me now. I come here every day.
Really? That's very nice.
Seriously, every day after work.
What time do you come?
Around 6 o'clock in the evening.
I come at 6 too. Maybe we...
See each other? Probably. It's a small park.
Maybe that's why I see you.
Maybe. Or maybe Buddy and Max are friends.
I think they like each other.
So I'll see you tomorrow?
Yes, with Max. See you, Ryan.
Asking for help at the library.
Hello. Welcome to Philadelphia Library. How can I help?
I need a book, but
You don't know the title?
No, I know the name, but the word is...
What's it about? Tell me.
It is about cooking. Easy cooking.
Easy cooking. That's good. Do you cook?
I try. I want to improve.
Your English or your cooking?
Both. Very different, very hard.
I understand. Let me help you. Come here.
This place is so big. So many books.
We have 1 million books. Are you scared?
A little. I don't know where anything is.
First time in library?
First time in American library. My country has small library.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is Maya. I'm from Thailand.
Nice to meet you, Maya. Here, this book?
Yes, this one. How did you find it so fast?
Computer. I searched the computer. Very easy.
I didn't know you could do that.
Now you know. Enjoy. At the information desk. Hello there. How can I help you?
Yes, I am lost, please.
Don't worry. Where are you trying to go?
I want Edinburgh Castle. Do you know it?
Of course. Very famous here. Do you have a map?
No, I forget my map at hotel.
No problem. I have maps. They're free.
Free? Oh, very, very good. Thank you.
Where are you visiting from?
I am from Poland, small city, Warsaw area.
That's wonderful. First time in Scotland?
Yes, first time. Everything is so beautiful and old.
Welcome. Let me show you something here.
Okay, where is castle from here?
Look, you are here. Castle is there, yes?
Oh, but is very far away, I think.
Not too far. Maybe 20 minutes walking? Or bus?
Bus? I not understand bus system.
Easy. Number 23 bus goes directly there.
How much cost the bus, please?
£3. Just show this card to driver.
£3. That is good price?
Yes, very affordable. Anything else you need?
I want food. Good food?
Walk down this street. Many restaurants here.
Scottish food. What is special?
Fish and chips, very popular here.
Fish and chips. I know this.
Then you'll love it here.
At the boarding gate.
Good evening. Flight 247 to Las Vegas?
Yes, I am here.
Great. Can I see your boarding pass, please?
Boarding pass? Is this one? This paper?
Perfect. That's exactly right. Your seat is 14B.
14B? What is B? Letter?
B is your seat row letter, window or aisle.
Window? Aisle? I don't know difference.
Window looks outside. Aisle is next to walkway.
Outside? I want see clouds. Window, please.
Good news. Your seat 14B is window. You're lucky.
Oh, very good. When we go?
Boarding starts in 5 minutes. We're boarding groups now.
Groups? I have group number?
Look at your pass. It says group 4.
4. I must wait? How long?
Maybe 10 minutes. First class boards first.
First class? I am first class?
No. You're economy class. That's group 4.
Oh, is okay? Economy is cheap?
Much cheaper, but same flight, same destination.
Okay. I sit down. Over there?
Yes, we'll call group 4 soon. Listen for announcement.
I listen very carefully. Thank you.
Have a great flight to Vegas, Yuki.
Talking to my seatmate.
Hello. Long flight, huh? Where are you headed?
I go to Los Angeles for work.
That's a long flight. How long are you staying?
1 week. I have meeting with company.
What company do you work for, if you don't mind?
Technology company in India. But now I work here.
Oh, you moved to America? When?
3 months ago. Everything is still very new.
I bet. How do you like it so far?
is very big, very fast, very crazy.
Yeah, America can be like that.
Where are you from? You live here long?
Born and raised in New York. Never left.
Never? You never travel outside? Is interesting.
Well, I travel, but I always come back.
Do you like Los Angeles? You go many times?
Yes, beautiful city. Much warmer than New York.
Warm is good? I like warm.
You'll love it then. Sunshine every day almost.
Every day? Not like New York. Here is cold?
Very cold in winter, but warm in summer.
I think I like Los Angeles now.
You should visit. Spend a weekend there sometime.
Maybe. First time Los Angeles. Very nervous.
You'll be great. Just relax and enjoy it.
Coffee shop friendship.
Hi, is this seat taken?
No, Sid, please.
Thanks. I'm Marcus. What's your name?
My name is Sophie. I am from France.
Oh, cool. How long at New York?
2 months. I study English here.
That's awesome. Do you like it?
Yes, but coffee here is expensive.
Tell me about it. Where are you from?
Paris. You know Paris?
A little. What's it like?
Beautiful, but different. Smaller than this.
Smaller and more romantic, right?
Yes, you understand.
I watch movies. Do you miss it?
every day, but New York is special.
Special how?
Everyone is from somewhere, like me.
That's actually really smart.
Thank you. You are very kind.
Do you come here often?
3 times, maybe 4 times a week.
Greening, so I'll see you again?
Yes, probably tomorrow.
Perfect. I'll see you tomorrow, Sophie.
See you, Marcus.
Finding the library.
Excuse me, are you lost?
Yes, I am lost. I need library.
The library. Toronto Library is very close. Come.
Thank you. I am new here.
First time in Toronto?
Yes, 2 weeks only. Everything is confused.
2 weeks is still very new. Which street?
I don't know. My phone says this way?
Your phone is wrong. Library is that way.
Always wrong. I make mistakes every day.
Mistakes are normal when you're new.
But I'm frustrated. Everything is hard.
What's hard?
The streets, the words, the people talking fast.
Try to relax. You will understand soon.
I hope you're right.
I am. Trust me. How far is your home?
10 minutes by bus.
So you know the bus system already.
Yes, one thing I know.
See, you're already learning.
Is this it?
That's it. Big building, many windows.
Finally, thank you very much.